This is a training video for deeper sonar users. The video is structured as follows. What is Deeper? Deeper is a portable wireless sonar device for anglers. Designed for amateurs and professionals alike, Deeper helps to find out the location of the fish, its depth, the water temperature, bottom contour, structure, and more. Deeper works both on iOS and Android smartphones and tablets, suitable for oceans, rivers or lakes, saltwater or fresh. Deeper is extremely versatile and can be used in many areas where regular fish finders can't be used, from banks and shorelines to kayaks and boats, and even for ice fishing. Inside the box. Inside the Deeper retail box, you'll find the Deeper sonar ball, 2 chargers, wall charger and dual car charger, 3 attachment bolts, a pouch for Deeper, a micro USB cable, and the user manual and quick user guide. How to use Deeper. Deeper is small, lightweight, and portable, designed to fit inside your tackle box. The sonar syncs with many common portable devices, from smartphones to tablets, so there's no need for a separate device to read from. Deeper can be used in different ways. Pole fishing. Attach the Deeper to your fishing line using 1 attachment bolt and cast into the water. It'll float and send sonar readings to your phone. Then just reel it in to get it back. Flexible arm mounting for boats and kayaks. No special installation is required. Just screw Deeper to the flexible arm mount and then attach to your boat with a clamp. 10 seconds and you're ready to go. Ice fishing. Drill a hole in the ice, drop Deeper into the water, and launch the application. Technical specifications. Deeper is 2.5 inches in diameter and weighs 3.5 ounces. A Bluetooth connection sends a sonar reading to the phone or tablet from up to 150 feet away, so a cellular connection or internet data is not required. Depth range is from 3 feet to 130 feet. It works in both saltwater and freshwater at temperatures down to -17.8 degrees Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The lithium polymer battery is fully rechargeable in 2 hours using a micro USB power adapter and lasts for 4 hours under continuous use. It also features a dual beam sonar with 55 and 15 degrees cone. How to connect Deeper. When you first get it, make sure the device is fully charged. This is indicated by the green light. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and pair it with the Deeper. You can pair the Deeper with your smartphone only when you're charging Deeper or when the Deeper is in the water. Download the Deeper app from the App Store or Google Play. Cast Deeper into the water. Launch the application on your smartphone or tablet and start using the device. If you're an iOS user, you'll have to connect to the device after it's been paired with the smartphone or tablet. You only need to do this the first time you use Deeper. Application. When you launch the app for the first time, click Start and you'll see the main sonar window. If you'd like to see how readings will look, simply open Menu, click on Settings, and push Run Simulation. On the right-hand side of the screen is the depth scale and the vertical flasher. The top right of the screen shows the maximum depth of the water as well as the surface temperature. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the History tab and some sonar settings. The History feature allows you to see all the data for the last 15 minutes. The settings allow you to choose between 2 types of views. In basic mode, only the depth, bottom contour, and fish ID is shown. Detail mode is for pro anglers, so you can see everything crystal clear. This will tell you if the bottom is soft or hard. The darker shade of orange indicates a softer bottom. Green colors indicate vegetation, while yellow indicates the presence of fish. Full details of this will be in the instructions. For easier detection of fish, you can add Fish ID, making it easier to understand. You'll also hear a sound notification when a Fish ID appears. In detailed mode, you can change sensitivity with the slider here. Less sensitivity will filter smaller obstacles. If you need to switch the transducer frequency, you can do it here. This will change the signal cone from wide to narrow or vice versa. On the bottom left, you can use 3 buttons. The reconnection button, only present in the Android version, is used if the Bluetooth connection was lost. The snooze button sets Deeper into sleep mode while Deeper is in the water but is not used. This helps to save battery power. And the mute button turns on or off sounds and alarms. In the Status Note field, you can see several notification messages about Deeper's status. Searching means looking for sonar. Connecting to Deeper means it's establishing a connection with sonar. Connected to Deeper shows when it's in normal operation. Deeper is disconnected tells you that Deeper has disconnected with Bluetooth. Too shallow or too deep means that the depth is below 3 feet or more than 130 feet. Out of water shows that Deeper is out of water. Charging tells you Deeper is charging. Battery empty indicates that Deeper is powered off because of an empty battery. Updating Deeper firmware is when Deeper is upgrading the software. And not found means that the app could not find Deeper. When Deeper is connected to the smartphone, on the top of the application, 2 new icons will appear: the Bluetooth connection sign and the Deeper battery level icon. If you open Menu on top, you'll see the app's free extra features. Calendar. The calendar provides you with information about fish activity levels and lunar phases for chosen fishing locations. The fish activity level for each day of the month is presented by the orange circles. By clicking on a particular day in the calendar, you can see the hourly fish activity levels. The higher the fishing activity level, the higher the chances of a successful catch. On a GPS-enabled mobile device, the calendar will open showing information for your current position. You can check the activity levels of the fish for a particular location by either using the search field or choosing it from your Added Fishing Locations list. You can also add the location that you're viewing to this list. Locations added through the calendar will also appear in the map and thereafter be classified as fishing locations. Camera. The camera function allows you to take photos without leaving the application. You can also save the photos along with any comments. Just aim and click the shutter icon to snap a photo. Once you take a photo, a screen will appear allowing you to add a title, description, and save the entry. Saved photo entries will appear in the notes. Weather. The weather feature provides you with the current weather conditions and forecast for a certain location, along with other useful information, such as sunrise and sunset, as well as the phases of the moon. On tablet devices, you can also access the detailed weather forecast for a certain day by clicking on it. On a GPS-enabled mobile device, the weather will open showing information for your current position. You can check the weather of a particular location by using the search field or by choosing it from any added locations. Locations added through the calendar will also appear in the map and will be classified as weather locations. Notes. The Notes feature allows you to keep a journal of fishing entries displayed on the calendar, displayed in orange. By clicking on a certain day, you can view its existing entries or add new ones. Multiple log entries on the same date can be viewed by scrolling. When forming a new entry, you can add a title and comments and take photos by clicking on the camera icon. The note entry also includes the weather locations on location if you have a GPS-enabled mobile device. You can view the list of all your note entries and edit an entry directly or share it on your social networks by clicking on the buttons next to it. Map. Explore the map in the normal way. You can also switch between the map and satellite views by clicking on the icon on the left of the map. On a GPS-enabled mobile device, the map will open showing your current location. Search for new locations by using the search field or choose from your added locations list. Locations are categorized by type. You can choose this every time you add a new location. Types can be filtered by clicking on the arrow at the right-hand side of the map and unticking the ones you wish to hide. Settings allows you to configure the Deeper application according to your needs. You can change units, sonar frequencies, turn on or off alarms for fish IDs and depth warnings. You can run simulation mode from there and connect or disconnect any Deepers. Refer to the user manual if you need further explanations about any functions. The backup function, Android only, lets you export your photos, entries, and comments straight to Google Drive, so if you switch phones or it gets lost, you'll not lose all of your data. Accessories. New mounting solutions are durable, compact, look great, and have no sharp edges or points. The new Deeper flexible arm allows you to mount your Deeper to almost anything. A heavy-duty flexible arm makes sure your Deeper nor your boat are damaged even when you hit something hard with it. A universal 1/4-20 male screw makes it compatible with ram mounts or any other paddle sport mounting accessories. Fishing at night? Add a light function to your Deeper. Just swap the original cover case with a transparent one and choose night fishing mode on the mobile application. New color covers will help you find deeper at longer distances in any weather. Why deeper? Multifunctionality. Regular fish finders can only be used from boats. With Deeper, you can scan anywhere you like, from shorelines, bridges, kayaks, embankments. It can even be used for ice fishing. Portability. Traditional fish finders weigh 7 pounds and come with a multitude of different bits and pieces. Now anyone with a smartphone can just connect to the Deeper ball and off you go. Extra possibilities. Replaces regular sonar and gives you more free features like fishing activity calendar, maps, weather forecasts, and many more. In comparison to other portable fish finders in the market, Deeper has a few important things you need to know. It uses Bluetooth technology to transfer data to your smartphone. Compared to Wi-Fi, this requires 10 times less energy, so your battery can last longer. Bluetooth allows you to use internet connections on your smartphone, so you can stay online when fishing. Deeper weighs only 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, so it's easier to cast, easier to carry, and easier to store. A dual-beam sonar gives you 2 different angles, 15 degrees and 55 degrees. It's a useful tool when fishing in all kinds of different locations, depths, water conditions, etc. 2 beams combine great detail with a wide coverage area. A precise narrow beam for high accuracy returns of fish, structure, detail, and bottom profile, and a wide beam for an ample search area. 3 metal inserts with an M5 screw for attaching Deeper to mounting accessories ensures a variety of applications. Deeper is rechargeable via the universal micro USB port. It's prepared for ice fishing. Deeper's battery and electronic components is covered by a special foam protecting the batteries from temperatures down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Deeper is designed and made in Europe. When we add some extra features to new Deepers, we update the firmware via Bluetooth so old customers can get all the new features. With the support, updates, software, etc. from Europe, you can always be sure you get the best. The mobile application is intuitive, user-friendly, and is packed with free extra features. So when you use it, you can test it, you can check it if you like before buying. Even without buying sonar, you can build your fishing diary, check your fishing location, fish activity levels, weather forecast, and much more for free. What if Deeper in the pool? Sonar will not work in small and narrow artificial water tanks like buckets or fish aquariums. You can test it in there if you like, but please note that readings will be inadequate due to signal reflections. Deeper shows fish where there aren't any. This is only possible if there's inappropriate usage of Deeper. For example, when you attach Deeper too close to your boat and the signal is reflected, Deeper misinterprets this as a fish. When you cast Deeper too close to a bridge, concrete banks, or rocks. When you reel in Deeper and it's attached to the wrong attachment bolt, meaning the signal does not point straight down. Water thermoclines influence sonar readings, and sometimes this is misinterpreted as a fish. Deeper turns on automatically once it's in the water. It's impossible to pair it until it turns on. The Deeper battery should be charged before fishing. To check the battery level, please connect 2 metal pins on the bottom of Deeper with a wet finger, or connect to a micro USB cable and charger. The blinking LED shows you the battery level. There's no switch off button. Deeper powers off automatically after 5 minutes out of the water. Lost connection. The Bluetooth signal range is up to 150 feet, but this depends on the smartphone model and weather conditions. Sometimes you can lose the connection because Deeper is too far away, there's stormy and wavy water, Deeper has been submerged underwater. Different obstacles like steel boats or concrete reinforcements can block the signal. Different smartphone models have different Bluetooth strengths. Can't reconnect. To reconnect, the Bluetooth device must be as close as possible, maximum 40 feet. Deeper shows the wrong depth. It's only possible with inappropriate usage of Deeper. For example, when you reel in Deeper, it's attached to the wrong attachment bolt and the signal does not point straight down. You should not screw in all 3 attachment bolts at the same time. By doing this, you'll make Deeper unstable and the transducer beam will not be directed straight down at the bottom. If you use Deeper in too shallow waters, example 1 foot, the signal reflections will be too strong. If you're in need of additional information, please find it at our official website, buydeeper.com. Otherwise, you're always welcome to write us directly at support.buydeeper.com. We'll be happy to answer any inquiry.